going to learn about how to create a dashboard in Power BI less than 5 minutes, in under less than 5 minutes. So without wasting any time, let us move on to the main thing. So this is the main interface of the Power BI desktop version. So if you want to import the data, just go to the Get Data tab, click that Get Data tab, and you will be getting all these type of options. Number one is Excel workbook. You can import Excel, or you can import Power BI dataset, and you can import from SQL server, you can import from CSV file, and there are more number of options which you want to import the data from. XML file, text file, PDF file, JSON file. So this is very what you call more than enough when compared to Tableau. While Tableau restricts to only JSON file, CSV file, and Excel file, and SQL file, but Power BI allows you to import data from many. You can say that you can import any type of file into the Power BI. Okay, so let me import. So here I am taking the data sample of any data set of financial data set which is given by Microsoft itself. So I'm getting Excel workbook and downloads, and click financial sample. Yeah, within no time it will get imported and we will be shown the preview. And yeah, if you click here financials, so it will show the basic preview, but not all the columns and rows. Okay, it will show you some small data set like this, but remember, it is just for preview itself. It will import all the columns and rows, but for preview, just before the starting our work, it will show some rows and some columns. Okay, right. And if you want to load that data, click here, load data. It will take some time. Meanwhile, yeah, yes, I think the data is loaded. Yeah, see here, you will get like this thing. You will get the sheet name here, and right under the search button, you will get the sheet name financials. In that, yeah, what you have to compare, let me show you the data set here. This data set contains of a segment. Segment means whether it is government or whether it is undertaken by a business or some private entrepreneurship like that. And it will show the country, and it will show the product, and the discount band if any, and the units sold for each type of product in their respective country, and the manufacturer, sale price. You can see here the full name, manufacturing price, sale price, gross sales, discounts and sales, COGS, profit, date, month number, month name, and year. So in this data you can compare the financials of different countries and the profits of different countries, and the discounts offered by different products, discounts for different products, like that. So it is a sample data set, and you can see here the number of rows are very huge, and yeah, quite huge. There are almost 700 rows, and you can see the number of columns. It will go from A to P. Okay, so 16 columns are there. Okay, so within no time we can create the dashboard here. Yeah, first we have to decide which values you have to compare. So, and I want to know which country has most sales, so that I can easily identify in the map. So what I have to do, I have to drag the country and drop in the pane. Make sure that you are connected with internet so that the map will load easily. You can drag and drop. You can resize the map here itself. It's up to your Okay, you can drag it in the center or you can enlarge it. Okay, yeah. Let me resize it and let me reposition it. Yeah. Yes. I want to. Yeah. Yeah. So in this map, I want to know the profits of each country, or I want to know the number of units sold for each country. So I'll just drag the number of units sold column and just drop onto the map. That's it. You can easily find here the large circle represents a large number of values. You can find the value in that pop-up. Country Canada, units sold 24748.5, and United States have somewhat less value, so that yeah, 2326875, like that. Mexico, France, different countries have different values, and depending upon the values, the size of circle is varying. And for that thing, if you want to make somewhat interesting, and you want to change the background of this map, just want to go to the format button, and it is a format button. Just click the format button and you can give different colors. So by default it will take the sky blue color as a presentation of the data, sales data. And if you want to change that, you can change that as black also, but let it be sky blue, let it be blue. We'll do one thing, we'll just change the background of map. Okay, for that thing you can choose the background. Yeah, here, see here, background. And for this thing you can change the different colors. So that is border. Yeah, I think border of the map. And border. Okay, no problem. And map styles, theme, dark theme. Yeah, it's quite interesting because you will be we can easily identify the highest value and lowest value if we have this type of themes, and it will be quite interesting and somewhat how to call eye dropping and eye catching view. So this will have. Okay, yeah. So in this way you can compare the sales value of different countries just by clicking the map button, and you can just resize it. And in the same pane you can just drag and drop any graph, and if you want to compare the sales value of different countries, you can just drag and drop any graph. So here I want to drop a bar chart, vertical histogram or bar chart, whatever it may be. Yes. Okay, yeah, I'll just double click it. Yeah, and in that graph, if you want to compare the two values, just drag and drop those two values. If you want to compare this country with sales, you just give the value. That's it. As simple as that. As simple as that. And if you want to create the pie chart also, double click the pie chart here, and it will be automatically convert the bar graph into pie chart. And yeah, now click somewhere in the pane, and if you want to click the donut chart, click it, and you can see here also the comparison of different countries on different sales or country. Just drag and drop. And if you want to compare the different profits of different countries, and already you have dragged the country, and now we have to drag the profit and drop onto the ring chart. Here it is. So it is as simple as that. And you can also enlarge the view, page view. You can you can see it in mobile also. Yeah, here it is. We can just say that it is as good as much, it is really superb. And if you want to click the data particularly, it will be highlighted. See here Germany is highlighted, right? If you want to click the data of Canada or Mexico, here Mexico is highlighted. And automatically slicers are interlinked. No need to create extra slicer button as we create in spreadsheets in Excel. Here no need to create slicer and no need to interlink those all connections. It is as good and as easy as possible to create dashboard like this. See here, it is absolutely of eye feast. You can see beautiful view of dashboard. Within no time we have just created the dashboard as soon as possible, and we can create the visualization wonders in this Microsoft Power BI desktop. Right, thank you. If you want to learn all Power BI modules, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.